Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Self Growth 3. Have you ever felt like you have done so much for others but still don't get appreciated? Or maybe you have noticed that sometimes you get blamed for others' mistake instead of being thanked. Do you find yourself spending too much time focusing on others' mistakes instead of your own growth? Then this video is for you. Stay tuned as today I will share with you how to master your emotions for a happier life. First, face struggles with joy. The struggles in life never end, so why not face them with a positive attitude? We all have responsibilities in life that we need to fulfill. You may have noticed that sometimes you really enjoy your work, but at other times you don't enjoy it as much. But in the end, we have to do them. So why not do them happily? If we approach struggles with a sense of fun and optimism, the journey becomes more enjoyable. People who have faced challenges with a positive mindset have often found great success and happiness. Think of life as an adventure. Each challenge offers a chance to learn and develop. When you face problems with a smile and a sense of humor, you develop resilience and attract others who want to support you and join you. Remember, struggle is a part of life. Embrace it, make the most of it, and try to have fun along the way. This attitude makes tough time easier and leads to great success. So choose to face struggles happily and you can turn obstacles into success. Second, focus on your actions, not others' mistakes. Don't focus on the mistakes of others, focus on your own actions. It is easy to criticize others, but real growth comes from looking at yourself. Instead of focusing on the mistakes of others, focus on your own progress. Dwelling on others' mistakes gives you nothing and destroys your mental peace. By directing that same energy toward your own growth, you not only move in a positive direction but also maintain your mental peace. Take responsibility for your choices and actions. This helps you grow and become stronger. By focusing on yourself, you develop integrity and resilience. Remember, personal growth comes from self-reflection. Work on becoming a better version of yourself with each new day. Maintain this mindset and watch yourself grow. Third, do what you can. Stay stress-free. Sometimes you feel that you have done a lot for others, but still you don't get any appreciation. However, there are times when you may find yourself unfairly blamed for others' mistakes and shortcomings. Sometimes this makes you want to stop helping completely. But here is a better solution. It doesn't matter if you can't live up to others' expectations. It's perfectly fine not to meet everyone's expectations. However, if you don't do the things that you are capable of doing, you can invite trouble for yourself. By doing nothing, you can make things difficult for yourself in the long run. Your mind will not be at peace and you may feel even more stressed. Just do your best. Doing what you can also shows that you are responsible and caring, even if others don't always see it that way. So, don't stop helping altogether. Just focus on doing what you can. This way, you will not feel overwhelmed and you can avoid unnecessary hassle. Remember, it's not about meeting everyone's expectations but about doing your best within your limitations. This approach will help you maintain mental peace and avoid stress. Number 4. Keep going, grow stronger. Keep going even when things are tough. It's perfectly normal to feel lost, stumble, or not achieving everything you desire. Cry when you need to. Face challenges but never stop living. Every experience strengthens you and paves the way to a better life. Embrace life to the fullest. Learn from the hard times and the happy moments. Every obstacle you overcome and every tear you shed helps you become a better person. Keep moving forward with hope and strength. Embrace life to the fullest. Learn from every moment and find your inner strength to live a happy life. Number 5. Control your emotions. Live a balanced life. The key to a satisfied and successful life is to understand and manage your emotions effectively. Emotions can be powerful and sometimes overwhelming, but you can control them. Start by noticing your feelings and understanding why you have them. Stop, breathe, and think before you react. When you feel angry, sad, or stressed, find healthy ways to cope, like talking to a friend, writing in a journal, or going for a walk. It's okay to feel emotions, but don't let them take over you. Practice staying calm and focused even in difficult situations. The more you practice, the better you will be at handling your emotions. This will not only make you feel better, but will also improve your relationships and overall quality of life. By taking control of your emotions, you can face challenges with confidence and find joy in everyday moments. Focus on controlling your emotions and start living a balanced and fulfilling life today. Managing your emotions, staying positive, focusing on what you can control, and keep moving forward helps you grow and find happiness. By managing challenges with a calm mindset, you ease life ups and downs and enjoy a more balanced and fulfilling life. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos where I will share more valuable tips. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Keep smiling, stay positive, and enjoy every moment. Your journey to greatness begins now. Thank you.